How to mark all email as read in Gmail on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Chrome and then search Gmail. After that, simply log into your Gmail, then click on three dots at the top right, and then you'll find desktop site. Click on desktop site and your phone will be turned into desktop site. At top left, click on three lines and then press on all email. Click on all mail. All mail will pop up and then on search bar at the top, click on it and then type in is dot unread and press on enter. All your unread emails will pop up and then click on box at the top left and then click on envelope like option at the top again, and all your mail will be read. And this is how to mark all email as read in Gmail on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.